Hello guys, you're welcome once more to MEPH and the tutorial self-defense. And into the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and share the link of this YouTube channel. Some students out there that needs to improve visual performance. Alright, so today we have a question on the board on number basis. It says find the value of n. If we have 13n, okay, that's 13 base n plus 24 base n is equals to 41 base n. Alright, so when you see bases like this, okay, it has to do with what number basis. So all I need to do is I want to convert this to base 10, okay. I also want to convert this to base 10 and I also want to convert this to base what 10. So I want to convert all three of them to base 10. Now, so our solution, now for this, I'm going to say 1, okay, times what? N, okay. So 1 times n is what? N plus what? We have 3, okay? Now for this, we have 2 times what? N, okay? This will give us 2n plus what? I'll bring down the 4. Now for this part, we have 4 times what? N, okay? That will give us 4n plus what? I'm going to bring down the 1. So 1, 2, 3 is now in base 10. We've been able to convert them to base 10. So you convert this to base 10, we have this. We convert this to base 10, we have this. Convert this to base 10, we have this. You can also use the expansion method to verify this. All right. So I have this, I'll replace it with what? So I have n plus 3, okay, plus I have what? This becomes what? 2n plus 4 is equal to what? We have this to replace it, so we have 4n plus 1. Alright, so let's open the brackets. I have n plus 3 plus 2n plus 4 is equals to what? 4n plus what? 1. Now let's collect what? Like terms. So collect what? Like terms. Or we say we regroup. Okay, so let's see. Collecting like terms or regrouping. Okay, so I can see that we have n here and we have plus 2n. So we are going to keep those together. So I have n plus what? 2n. So I have plus 3 and plus 4. So plus 3 plus 4 is equals to we have 4n plus 1. Alright. So let's see what that gives us. N plus 2n is going to give us 3n plus 3 plus 4 is going to give us plus 7, which is what? 4n plus 1. Alright, we are still going to what? Collect like terms. Okay, you see that we have n here, we have n here. So how do we collect like terms? Now I'm going to subtract n here, that's minus 3n here. I'm also going to subtract minus 3n here. Okay, so 3n minus 3n is 0, so I have 0 plus 7 is equals, this is what? 4n minus what? 3n plus 1. So 0 plus 7 is 7, which is equals to what? So 4n minus 3n is going to give us what? N, or 1n, which is 2n. So we have n plus 1. All right. So now we have 7 is equals to n plus 1. Now we still have to collect like terms. 7 and the minus 1 are alike, and plus 1 are alike. So we are going to regroup. So we have 7 is equals to what? N plus 1. All I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1 here, and I'm also going to subtract 1 here. So let's see what that gives us. So here we have 7 minus what? 7 minus 1. And here we have n plus 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So n plus 0 is going to give us n, and 7 minus 1 is going to give us 6. So n is equal to 6, okay? So the number of days here is actually 6. So that gives us a simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button and share this video to somebody out there that needs to learn one or two things. Alright, in math on number days. I'll see you guys in my next one. You take care.